Whether you are planning to cook in an office, dorm, or on your trip, these compact electric burners make handy companions. Let's have a look at the 5 best hot plates in today's video review. The Duxtop ES3103C is the 5th product on the list today. This provides you with a 1200 watt radiant heating power, which heats up instantly with no lagging. The product works with all types of cookware, adjustable thermostat, and also features a heating indicator light. The ceramic glass top is easy to clean. And the Duxtop ES3103C has a smart design with 2 stay cool carrying handles, so you can move the unit even when it's just been used. Its brushed stainless steel housing requires no disassembly for cleaning. At number 4, check out the Cuisinart CB30. The Cuisinart cast iron single burner adds cooking space to any kitchen or any place without a kitchen. Its powerful 1300 watts heat up quickly and retain high heat throughout cooking. The coilless cast iron plate is durable and wipes clean in a snap. Premium brushed stainless steel looks elegant in any setting. A 6-setting temperature control offers total flexibility from low to highest heat. You can use it to keep foods warm or to cook an entire meal. Ideal for entertaining and holidays when cooking for a crowd, and its compact and portable size make it ideal for small spaces anywhere without a kitchen, such as dorm rooms, boats, patios, or RVs. This is a versatile tool that is a great addition to any kitchen, big or small. At number 3, we have the Elite Cuisine ESB300X. Cooking is quick, easy, and consistent with the Elite Cuisine electric single buffet burner. This portable electric hot plate offers reliable heating and takes up minimal cooking space. At 1000 watts, it heats up quickly with an adjustable temperature knob. The coiled hot plate will ensure even cooking and makes cleanup a breeze. The cool touch base and non-skid rubber feet allow for stable cooking. The Sakura 8100MC is the 2nd best product on our list today. With a number of useful features like a digital control panel, built-in timer, and automatic pan detection, the Sakura 8100MC meets almost every need for an induction burner. It also has a conveniently long 6-foot cord and the ETL safety stamp of approval. And at number 1 today, check out our best product, the CADCO CSR3T. Traditionalists will love the old coil-style surface of the CADCO CSR3T with its infinite heat control knob that allows for precise temperature adjustments. It has an easy-to-clean stainless steel housing that is well ventilated for safety too. CADCO high-power single hot plate with a high-speed 8-inch tubular element and Robert Shaw thermostat with infinite heat controls allow it to attain the desired temperature, whatever that may be.
We hope you enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.